comparison on how much free space there is between all three of the Reaper, Locos, and the Thunderbolts. I don't have a tape measure, but they all look the same. Alright. First, we're going to do a ball shell, and then a no-name 5-inch can, and then we're going to do a Loco, 8-inch Loco, 8-inch Thunderbolt, and then the new Grim Reaper. Alright, let's check continuity. Put it to test. Shake. Turn the remote on. We're on channel 1. Should be 5 lights. All 5. Alright. Let's go shoot them off. Alright. It's going to be our shooting position. Let's turn this system on. On module 1. Put it to arm. Alright, the first one's going to be a ball shell, and then so on. Completely missed that one. Alright, now a 5-inch canister. Now a Loco. Thunderbolt. Now a Reaper. Well, let me know which one you think's the loudest. I think all the 8 inches are the same, in my opinion, but it is what it is.